Yeah, by the way, if you are riding a motorcycle, this is a very popular place for the police to check. I see them almost every day if I come here. Good morning. It's Saturday morning, 11:15, and I'm here in front or across the street from the Sirikit National Convention Center. And I've been here last year in April, which is almost a year ago. So it's time to give another update. So as you can see, the glass walls are getting prepared and ready. They're peeling off the covers. So two things. I want to show you an update now about the Sirikit National Convention Center, and I will show you an update about the overpass that they are building at Rama 3. And one of the reasons that I want to do that is because Michael Riva made some nice drone footage in there. So I'm happy to share that. This is the bridge where I filmed the 28 days later shot with a little bit of scary music for the zombie movie. If you come here in the early morning and you walk up this bridge, it's empty and it gives a bit of an eerie feeling. So here you have the park live, then you have the Met Park Hospital behind. This is the FYI Center. And this is the crossroads of Ratchadapisek Road with Rama 4. And then we'll end up in Rama 3, where I will show you a bit more about the constructions. Here to the left you have the Klong Toy Market. This is where the old bridge finishes. And then here you have the new construction. So here's where the road is gonna go over, and then it will actually connect Rama 3 directly with Ratchadapisek Road. This is a new bridge that finished last year. Yeah, by the way, if you are riding a motorcycle, this is a very popular place for the police to check. I see them almost every day if I come here. Oh. Yeah, here you have a good view of the overpass. And Michael made a very nice video about the machine that they are using here. So he flew around a couple of times, so I'm happy to show that. So I'm here on the train tracks. So from here you can see good what they are building. So there are two different lanes here, and the higher one is not ready yet. So here you have a good view on how the three bridges are now aligned. Yeah, this is in the middle of an industrial area as well. So a lot of trucks coming through here. This is here at the entrance of the overpass, and I'm gonna finish my video here. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Rama 3 overpass and a little bit about the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line. Don't forget to check out Michael Riva with his drone shots. He's responsible for these nice shots that I could show you today. And see you guys in my next video.